In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize chat in League of Legends. To make this quick and hassle-free, we'll do it inside a match so you can see the changes immediately. The easiest way is to hop into the practice tool. This lets you adjust settings without any pressure from a live game, and it gives you a clear view of how the chat will look during real gameplay. Once you're in the game, you're ready to make the change. Open your settings while you're in the match. You can do this by pressing the escape key, or by clicking the small gear icon if you prefer using the mouse. This brings up the in-game settings menu where all of your interface controls live. From here, go to the interface section. This is where you'll find the visual options that affect what you see on your screen, including health bars, minimap options, and of course, the chat. Inside the interface tab, look for the chat scale control. It appears as a slider bar. This slider is dedicated to the size of the chat window and text area, so you can customize how large or small it appears without changing the size of the rest of the UI. Click and drag the slider to adjust it. Dragging to the right increases the chat size, making messages easier to read, which is especially helpful on high-resolution monitors or if you sit a bit farther from your screen. Dragging to the left reduces the size, giving you more room for the game itself and keeping your view of the action clear. As you move the slider, you should see a preview of the new size in real time. Take a moment to find a balance that keeps chat readable without covering important parts of your screen. If you find the chat blocking your view during team fights or objective takes, a slightly smaller scale can help. On the other hand, if you rely on chat for callouts and pings, a larger scale makes it far more comfortable. Once you've found the size that feels right, hit save. Saving locks in your choice so it persists in future games, and you won't have to redo the setting every time you queue up. And that's it. You started a game, opened your settings, went to interface, adjusted the chat scale slider, and saved your changes. If you ever want to tweak it again, just repeat this process in any match. Small adjustments can make a big difference in clarity and comfort, so don't hesitate to fine-tune until it feels perfect for you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more readable chat in your next game.